Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my channel. This is Ram Sudhakar Arts Tutorials. Today we are going to learn about some important GK questions. What is the national tree of India? Option A, tamarind tree. Option B, banyan tree. Option C, neem tree. Option D, peepal tree. So what is the right answer? Yes, option B is the right answer, banyan tree. What is the national fruit of India? Pomegranate, apple, banana, mango. Which one is that? Yes, the right option is mango. Option D is the right answer. What is the national bird of India? Peacock, kingfisher, bald eagle, parrot. So what is the right answer? Yes, peacock is the correct answer. Next one. What is the national animal of India? Deer, giraffe, Bengal tiger and lion. The right answer is Bengal tiger. What is the national flower of India? Lotus, jasmine, lily, sunflower. The right answer is option A, lotus. The lotus అనేది ప్రజెంట్ రూలింగ్లో ఉన్నటువంటి బీజేపీ పార్టీ యొక్క గుర్తు అన్నమాట. ఓకే, వాట్ ఈస్ ద నేషనల్ మాన్యుమెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా? Option A, Charminar. Option B, Red Fort. Option C, Indian Gate. Option D, Gateway of India. The right answer is India Gate. It is located in Delhi. Do you know Gateway of India? Generally it is called as Mumbai city. మన ఇండియాలోకి ఫారెన్ నుంచి ఎవరైనా రావాలి అంటే మెయిన్గా ముంబైని టచ్ చేసుకుంటూ రావాలి. సో దట్స్ వై ఇట్స్ నోన్ యాజ్ గేట్వే ఆఫ్ ఇండియా. వాట్ ఈస్ ద నేషనల్ హెరిటేజ్ యానిమల్? డూ యు నో? షీప్, కౌ, డీర్, ఎలిఫెంట్. రైట్ ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ ఎలిఫెంట్. ఓకే, next. What is the national aquatic animal of India? Dolphin, fish, octopus and whale. The right answer is yes, dolphin. Option A is correct. Next question. What is the national river of India? The Narmada, the Krishna, the Ganga and Brahmaputra. So what is the right answer? Yes, absolutely correct. The Ganga river. India, it is the longest river in India. Do you know in the world which is longest river? Yes, Nile river, Nile. It is in Egypt, African continent. Okay. Next question. What is the national game of India? Hockey, cricket, football, volleyball. The right answer is yes, hockey. Next one. What is the national reptile of India? crocodile, earthworm, lizard, king cobra. The right answer is, yes, your guessing is correct, king cobra. Next question. What is the national currency of India? Rupee, paise, Indian rupee and dollar. The right answer is Indian rupee. When the national flag of India adopted by the Constitution Assembly? July 22, 1947, August 16, 1947, January 26, 1952, December 31st, 1947. So right answer is, yes, option A, July 22, 1947. July 22, 1947. July 22, 1947. What is the national anthem of India? What is the national anthem of India? Vande Mataram, Jana Gana Mana, Sare Jaha Sacha, Hum Hangi Komyab. The right answer is, yes, Jana Gana Mana. Jana Gana Mana, written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Who designed Indian national flag? Was adopted on January 26, 1952, January 26, 1950, August 15, 1947, July 22nd, 1947. The right answer is January 26, 1950. Indian national song was composed in Sanskrit by Rabindranath Tagore, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, Pingala Venkaiah and Rajagopalachari. Right answer is, yes, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Next question. The motto on national emblem is Satyameva Jayate, Ruksho Rakshita Rakshataha, Vande Mataram, Jai Hind. So which one is correct option? Yes, absolutely correct. It is A, option A, Satyameva Jayate, which was taken from Mandako Upanishad. Mandako Upanishad. In the Indian national flag, saffron represents, yes, peace, truth, courage and prosperity. The right answer is courage. Option C is correct answer. Next question. What is the national calendar of India? Very important one. Satavahana, Maurya, the Hindu, the Shaka. So we followed presently this Shaka calendar. Understand? National Song of India was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, Rabindranath Tagore, Muhammad Iqbal, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Right answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, next question. What is the ratio of width of our national flag to its length? 1:2, 2:3, 3:4, 1:4. Right answer is 2:3. Okay, right. Next question. Who was the second Prime Minister of India? Indira Gandhi ji, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Gulzari Lal Nanda and Rajendra Prasad. Right answer is Lal Bahadur Shastri. What is the name of the world's first plasmid DNA vaccine to treat COVID-19? Zycovid D, Moderna, Sputnik V, Covaxin. Right answer is Zycovid D. సో దీన్ని 12 years ఉన్నటువంటి వాళ్ళకి యూజ్ చేస్తారు. India's first manned ocean mission, Samudrayan, is undertaken by which institution? National Institute of Ocean Technology, Indian National Center for Ocean Information Services, Center for Marine Living Resources and Ecology, Indian Institute of Technology, Madras. Right answer is National Institute of Ocean Technology. Next question. What is the theme of the National Ayurvedic Day 2021? Ayurveda for Ocean, Ayurveda for COVID, Atmanirbhar Ayurveda, Amrut Ayurveda. Right answer is Ayurveda for Ocean. Next question. Who is the first ever Indian fencer to qualify for the Tokyo Olympic Games 2020? Kavita Devi, Bhavani Devi, Shilpa Garg and Pooja Mishra. Right answer is Bhavani Devi. Next question. What is the mascot of Tokyo Olympics 2020? Hodori, Meraitova, Amik, Fuwa. The right answer is Meraitova. Who was the flag bearer of Indian Olympic team 2020? Mary Kom, Manpreet Singh, Abhinav Bindra, both A and B. Right answer is both A and B. Option D is the correct answer. Okay, go to the next question. How many athletes have been sent by India this year at Olympic Games Tokyo? Option A 120, 127, 125, 130 athletes. Right answer is 127 athletes. Thank you for watching my channel. మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ మై ఛానల్.